pop. It's a nice one there. Alright, what do you think? Gonna get some birds?
I don't know. It's first light, and not seen a lot flying yet, which is a little concerning. We did hear some goldeneyes while we were setting up, and we're trying to get goldeneyes and bufflehead mostly, and probably have a chance of some mallards and maybe some other assorted divers. But hopefully, with all that northwest wind we've had the last couple of days, it didn't blow them out of here.
Yeah, true. Oh, there's a geese.
Canada.
Heard a bunch of snows too get up earlier. Like they're somewhere on the lake, but.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I don't know where, but I heard
they
them all.
usually are down the south end.
That's where it sounded like they were. But.
Oh, here's one. Here's 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
Buffleheads, it looks like. All dark there.
Yeah. I don't have my calls out. Come on.
Those will be live decoys. They're all stuck.
We got 4 coming in right on the left, right on the deck.
Yeah, we don't know what they are though.
I know. They're little though. They're gonna land with the mallards. Watch this.
I don't know what it is.
Wait. Oh, another one behind it. Another buffalo.
That's good though. I should get some video.
I think that buff hen's just drowned him in. That live decoy.
Okay. The second one's a mallard.
Let's pop. Oh yeah. Me and you both second from one.
Okay, I got the second one.
Yeah. Ready, set, go.
Got the second one.
Yeah, we got the drake. One on our left coming right in.
Oh, we don't know what that is though. Goldeneye hand.
What? Yeah, it was. He dove. He's out there. He dove again.
God damn it. He was just in a terrible spot because that rock was in the way.
I know. I think we're alright.
Hey, sit down. Sit down, Dad.
I don't know, I think that was a little far for me. Little buff hen. She came right in.
Yeah, a duck that doesn't decoy better than a buff hen.
Mm-hmm.
Looking for a mate right there. Got her guy picked out. That's her Patrick Dempsey, Dr. Madrini right there.
Did you hear their wings just whoosh?
That's a blue little hand in front of us. That was a buffalo. Buffalo with one blue girl.
Yeah.
The buffalo's really soft.
No, they're on our left over there. There's 2 on our left. Buff hens. Yeah, buff hens right there.
That's a great right there.
Oh yeah, that is.
I could have shot. Oh my gosh, why didn't you shoot twice?
I don't know.
Why'd you not shoot twice?
I didn't shoot twice.
Oh,
that was real.
Terrible shot.
That was weird. I didn't shoot the second time. On the right. No.
They're all the ways.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
The hen's coming right back in.
coming right back in. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Shot it.
The hen came right out and Drake landed back out there. And the bluebill is just hanging out. Pop.
Right on.
Oh
right
my
on,
gosh.
Right on.
Come on,
Right
man.
on. Never, go get him.
Gun didn't shoot a second time again there either.
Callie, go get him. Never. Go get him. Never. Bring a decoy in like a dumb dog.
She brought 2 goldeneyes in. That's a nice one there, buddy.
Yeah, that's a mountain.
Here, hold on, I'll get a...
No, I need a video.
Oh, did you get him, Callie? Get that goldeneye?
No, don't. She's
No.
No.
Here, hold him up. It's a nice one there.
Yeah, pretty nice one. Pretty close to fully plumed out. A little dirty, but pretty nice.
Finally got us a duck
It's a
too.
little 4-year-old drake.
That's a nice one there. Alright, good enough. My hands are freezing. Bluebell's nice drake right there. That wind is ripping now. We're kind of deciding what to do. Do we pull the plug? We haven't seen a duck in 30 minutes. And it's not looking too good here, to say the least. But maybe find a different spot or just chase some pheasants the rest of the day, or blinds tearing apart all. That one shot. I couldn't even see what I was shooting at though. It was right in the sun. Well, now the real question is, so the top one shoots and the bottom one shoots, but will it just not shoot twice for me? You know?
First, it was like it's not a full plumage, right?
I don't know, it didn't look bad.
Huh?
It didn't look that bad.
No, I don't think it's nice bird.
It is. That one's coming back. The one that was in range.
Get him, Hunter.
I had one shot, I had to make
Callie,
it count. There's one at 12 o'clock coming right at us. Well, now it's not. Yeah. Shoot. The blind blowing away. Yeah. Oh, crap. Oh, man.
Fix this. That's terrible.
Oh. Breathe. How you doing, Callie? Was that a nice hand? Or the line's blowing over again, if you're wondering. Yeah, shoot that one on the right. Oh, you could have hit that one. No. Yeah, I only got one shot, Dad. You got it?
3 curls.
Oh, buck Drake, you're down. That's a little far.
Comes back around. Shoot. You had another buck drake that was running. You not seen it a little bit ago?
No, I didn't.
You did.
Not that I saw that was cool. I had a bluebill come right in front of me, but I was keen, so I couldn't shoot it. So that's a nice mallard.
3 curls, just perfect.
That's a
Nothing
big,
broken.
nice mallard there. That was a nice bird. I took that leg. Oh, no bird. That's a nice bird there. Pack up, you think?
Yeah,
Alright, Callie, we're leaving, buddy. full plumage buff drake right here. Beautiful bird. Another full plumage goldeneye right there. Another really pretty bird. Nice little hen bluebill there. And then a gorgeous drake mallard. Look at that one. Wow. Didn't think we were gonna get him, but I'm glad we did. Wow. Here's the hide right here. Got our panel blind right here. This side's where I was at over here. That wind is blowing, oh my gosh. A little buckets back here. And then we got some assorted puddle ducks and mallards and a few divers on single shots here. And then we got a big string of goldeneyes right there. Big string of buffleheads. We had a little bit better path for them to go into there, but the wind's blowing everything into shore there. As you can see, we got slush piling up all from this morning. When we got here this morning, it was around 19 degrees, and let's just say it's a bit chilly, and it's warming up a bit now, but that wind is getting to us, so we're packing up. We're trying to find the decoys that the wind blew away, and then yeah, we're gonna call it a day out here. But there's that spread again for you guys right there. But we got a few nice ducks. It's just a chilly one for sure, to say the least.